Japan's cherry blossom is now in full bloom and we're on a mission to show you all the Sakura spots in Kyoto. As always, we're gonna start our journey in the organized chaos of Kyoto Station. We're gonna hop on the Karasuma line and make our way to the first spot. We've made it to Karasuma Ueke Station.
And now we're gonna make our way to Tozai Line in platform 2. There's signage up the top that says Tozai Line platform. So you literally just try and find these signs.
Got off the train. We gotta exit via 1, wherever that is, but
we're just exiting anywhere at this point.
We'll just go up the stairs.
Alright, we got off at Kyoto Station and there's actually signage inside saying how to get to our first stop, which is
Nanzenji Temple. It's about a 10-minute walk from this station. It's still far, but we can already see some sakura behind us.
Actually right there. I think this walk will be beautiful.
This is so good. And it's sunny too in Kyoto. Super excited for today's adventure. So we start walking and make our way to Nanzenji Temple until we realize there's this beautiful set of cherry blossom trees above us. We don't even know about this spot, so let's go and check it out real quick.
Wow, look at that. It's beautiful. I think this is also a popular spot.
Yeah, probably a hot spot. Wow, I'm so excited. This is literally why we're here in Japan, and it's for the sakura, the cherry blossoms, and they're blooming once again on a sunny day. Oh, I'm excited for what's to come. I'm excited now, actually.
So it's actually like a train track, and it might be an old one. I don't think it's operational anymore because there are gravels you can walk on. We're not even expecting to find this on the way to our first stop.
But guys, this is stunning. It feels a lot better because we didn't expect it. So you've got trees both on the left and right side, but now you've got a train track in the middle. This would result in some beautiful photos if you come early.
Yeah.
Not at this time, look at that. It's a hot
sunrise.
spot.
I think sunrise is over on this side.
Yeah.
So it'll be beautiful.
It would be stunning. Anyway, let me film a little something for you guys.
Took but moments to see that she was all I need. Eyes shining like noonday sun to bring some light when this world didn't have none. Oh, I fell in an instant, took but moments to see.
That was such a nice distraction from our original destination. Definitely worth the stop here. This is actually, like we said, just outside the station. Now we're gonna make our way to the temple, but how stunning is this spot?
It is so beautiful. I can't believe this exists here.
Yeah.
It's like a railway, an old railway.
It's so crazy. And if you don't like the tourists, then just don't come to Japan. This ain't for you. But it's not about that. It's about what Japan has to offer. The beautiful nature, the culture, and this is just... this is breathtaking, you guys.
The walk to Nanzenji Temple, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Is so beautiful. Look behind us, it is nice.
It's
and the green are so lush.
Yeah.
I mean, I know it's going into summer, but wow.
It's just this nice little street, and seems like there's still a lot of people.
Still a lot of people over there, but it's a little bit more quiet, obviously, walking to the main area.
This right here is the Power Pack Universal, and it's honestly the best travel power bank that we've used. It holds 10,000 milliamps of battery capacity. You can charge your devices up to 2 times. It even has fast charging capabilities. You can charge your devices to 50% in just half an hour. Now there are 5 ways to charge your devices. So you've got your traditional inputs, the USB and USB-C. They've got built-in cables, a lightning cable for your Apple devices, and a USB-C for your Android devices. They've got a built-in wireless charging pad right on their power bank. So if you want to get 5% off, make sure you click the link in the description down below. Alright, let's go back to the video. But yeah, we're in a massive park and there's cherry blossoms all around. That's amazing. And look at this massive, this is called the Nanzenji Sanmon Gate. So you can actually walk through the middle there. Yeah, so you can actually walk up to the top as well, but we're just gonna walk through the middle and then we're gonna make our way finally to Nanzenji Temple.
We know that all we do here in Kyoto is see temples, gardens, eat food. But honestly, that's what I love about Kyoto, and that's what it's known for. All these amazing nature and temples that we're so blessed to be able to visit.
Now, walking through the gate, well, that's a massive step, thing.
It's a massive gate too.
Yeah. It's all wooden. It's crazy.
feel like they've been here for years and years.
Yeah.
And they're still holding up.
Look at the scale of the building behind us. It's massive, eh?
That is actually pretty
Yeah.
big. And there's, I think this is the temple now in front of us.
Oh yeah, wow.
Smells good with incense.
It's so grand as well. As Alex likes to say, it's so grand.
So you can offer or pray with the incense, but I think we have to pay a donation. I'm not sure how much.
Yeah, we should do it.
See how much. I'm telling you guys, this is like a fairy tale. Like the view here in the Zen garden, or just this space in general, is out of this world. It doesn't even feel
Yeah.
like we're on Earth.
So mystical. And so that was Nanzenji Temple that we were at. And the reason why we actually came here is because of these arches. Look at that. Whoa, it's incredible, you
Do
guys.
you see that? It looks like we're in Europe or something.
Yeah.
But I think it's called an aqueduct. So apparently it used to transport water from this area here in some other city.
Yeah.
But wow, this is so beautiful. This is straight out of a fairy tale. I'm really loving the nature in Japan. So, you know, they're known for their nature, and I love that they truly take care of it.
I was gonna say, like, this place has got that forest vibes.
Yeah.
And we were just like researching. This is actually at the base of Higashiyama Forest. And yeah, that's why you see like these beautiful trees, tall trees, you guys. Oh, it is so nice here. If you want, I was gonna say if you want a nice and calm time, but there's a lot of people, so maybe not the best. But literally, the spots around here, it's just so, it's like a little corner of peace and quiet.
Yes, I fell in an instant. Took but moments to see.
Oh, this is such a cool spot, you guys. It's kind of fun, but yeah, like any cool looking thing, there's a lot of tourists that want to take photos and videos here.
Beautiful though.
Yeah, it's a cool structure though.
We're gonna make our way up to check out the aqueduct, and it's nothing too crazy to be honest. There's this path that stretches quite far, but we're not gonna bother going all the way, so let's move on.
Making our way to the next stop. But do you see the sakuras? It's actually like falling now. But wow, it's such a dream. Oh my gosh, look! It looks so pretty.
goodness.
That color
look at
is
that.
really popping right now.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, do you see the
Whoa.
sakura?
Oh, that's so magical. Wait,
Oh my goodness.
there,
it's
can you
so
guys see it?
pretty. I feel like I'm in anime right now.
Yeah. It's just so calming here, you guys. It's just so stunning to see as well. This is just a dream. And like Alex said, when the petals were kind of just falling,
Dropping, yeah.
felt like an anime, felt like a movie.
We didn't think we would be back in Japan so soon, and I thought this would
I thought
just
we
be.
did.
You did.
I was planning to like straight away.
I thought it would just be a dream being here in the sakura season, but wow, we actually made it happen, and we're here experiencing it for the first time.
Yeah.
20 minutes later.
This is the entrance here. This should be Aikendo Temple. The proper. What do you
Wow.
think? Took you by surprise.
Oh,
Hey?
I didn't know. I thought it was just like a resting area. So beautiful.
Look at that view. I literally walked up to this seating area, which is actually a viewpoint of this pond. It is stunning. It's so calm and tranquil, you guys. And there's koi fish. Oh my gosh, that is just incredible.
So we're gonna walk around the area, and it's honestly so tranquil around here. But as you can see, the cherry blossoms are actually falling already, except for this one behind the temple.
We're now at Hojo Pond. I think that's how you say it. And then in the middle right there is a shrine called Benten Shrine.
Look at the pond behind it. It's so beautiful. And there's a bridge. I don't know if you can see. There's a
Yeah.
bridge there too.
We're really enjoying our time here. Sort of just like a quiet getaway from the business of Kyoto and all the touristy spots. There's not a lot of cherry blossoms
Not in
this
this one, yeah.
Not too much. Maybe that's why there's not many people
Yeah.
visiting. but I kind of like it just
It's
being.
still worth it visiting here just because it's so peaceful right now. Like Cheno said, there's a lot of tourists outside. So here, there's just like, makes you feel at peace and
Yeah.
zen. Going to the bridge now. There's that little gate before that. But wow, the view here is actually really nice. See the pond
Show the water
between it?
like that. Whoa.
And then this is the temple, did you say?
The shrine. This is the
Shrine,
shrine.
sorry. Here is a closer look at the shrine. It is pretty small. Look at that woodwork on that.
Yeah, if you see a little bit, there's some intricate woodwork and carvings
Inside, yeah.
along there. And that roof is pretty nice too. I think it's probably the same materials they use on their full-size temples. We don't know too much about the history of this one. I think it's called the Ben 10 Shrine, so let us know in the comments below. Help us out. Now we're going to explore this temple, and there's a lot of artwork on the wall within dozens of rooms. But unfortunately, we can't show you, so instead, enjoy a little bit of footage of the surrounding area.
But now we are hungry and now we're gonna make our way to the famous market here in Kyoto at Nishiki Market. This is one of the famous markets here in Kyoto and obviously famous among tourists as well, and I think they're pretty affordable food here. So we're gonna see what we can find. So it's actually not just foods here, there are actually some plants, some clothing. So if you want to visit here, you can find a lot of things, even some souvenirs. It's pretty good too. We're seeing a lot of fish and sushi, sashimi, and all that stuff.
There's takoyaki back there.
Takoyaki, oh yeah, there's takoyaki
But we need
there.
something that can fill us up.
We need something more of a meal than a snack because we are starving. We really haven't eaten proper food today. Oh my gosh, look at this crab. I don't know if you can see that. But there's wagyu as well. Wow.
A few moments later.
So we just got an order and wow, it looks so good. It's being cooked in front of us actually.
So cool.
So you got the scrambled egg with cheese on top.
Yep.
And then I got just like a mayonnaise. I think it's their like #1 recommended in this store, so I thought I'd give it a try.
Yeah. I also got a soda. Need some sugar, some fizzy drink goodness.
Oh my gosh, look at the steam. So soft. I'm actually okay now, but it's still steaming.
How's that one?
Good. The sauce, this one has green onions and mayo on top. Not the normal original sauce, but actually pretty good.
Yeah? You like
Yeah. It's so soft.
it? Out of 10 compared to the original.
Original?
Yeah, like the flavors.
Oh. 8. I like the original.
She's probably think it's 6 right now, but she doesn't want to offend people cooking. So mine was the cheese and egg. Yeah, let's give it a try. It's like kind of melting. It's falling apart. Oh, there you go. It's so hot, but it's so yummy. I mean, cheese and egg. I'm lactose intolerant. Good luck to me. Good luck to future me. But I like it. Sorry, it's a bit tight, you guys. Very small space. How do you like yours?
I love it.
Yeah. She loves it. 6 out of 10. I'm kidding. 8 out of 10. There we go.
There's 2 for 700. Okay, I need to get strawberry daifuku. Like I've been dreaming about this, so we saw this earlier. We need to get it.
Look what we got. She's been craving this, you guys. So she got 2. Like, isn't one enough? Or
I love this so much, guys.
one of them's for me.
I dream about this every day. Every day.
Every day. Every hour.
Let's bite. How do I eat this?
Oh, that's so good. Yeah?
So good.
Sweet?
It's nice and sweet, yeah.
Just the way I like it. I mean, we've already tasted this. If you haven't seen our Arashiyama vlog, go check that one out. Yeah. Cheers. What do I bite? Yummy. That's good. 700, a bit pricey though. Actually, that's quite a bit.
It's pretty big.
It is pretty big.
Well, we're now at the end of Nishiki Market, and wow, that daifuku really filled us up. Actually, it was massive.
At Nishiki, it's mostly, I would say, like sort of finger foods or street food,
street food, yeah.
and quick bites. You might find the odd restaurant or two, but generally it's kind of like small bites and whatnot.
And I actually saved this thrift store in our notes, and it's literally like 3 minutes away from Nishiki Market.
Yeah, it feels like indoor streets or
Yeah.
like, are they outdoor but they just have a roof kind of thing?
Yeah, there's just a lot of shops here
Yeah.
actually.
So now this is like the shopping area.
Yeah, shopping area.
Where we're gonna go to that thrift store that Alex was talking about.
If you love shopping, this area is actually really good too because they have a lot of brands here, big brands and also local brands here. Some branded. So we're currently at Kindle Kyoto. It's their secondhand store, but I think some of them is branded. But we'll check out what they have.
It's a no for me.
It's not what we expected. It's all designer.
Yeah, it's all designer in a thrift shop.
Well, secondhand. It's actually big in Japan.
Yeah.
Designer secondhand shopping are pretty good in Japan. So this one's like that. What do you guys think?
It's crazy how that second floor was all like designer brands pretty much, and the bottom was actually more of the casual wear. There's still some nice pieces for sure, yeah.
So we found this shop just on the way home actually.
I think it's called Vigo.
It's called Wigo. But yeah, I think they got like these secondhand stuff outside.
They're pretty nice too.
They got like the Ralph Lauren's. Pretty good, like $60.
Still good quality.
Yeah, really good quality. Wow. And I think Japanese really keep their items well
Like in
and
good
taken
condition.
care of. Yeah.
1,000 yen. That means about $10 for us.
Yeah. And they got like really cool shirts, like vintage shirts. Not too shabby. These are band shirts actually. What about the Harley Davidson?
Harley Davidson, motorbike company.
Well, these ones are not $10, but I love their outfits here. Everyone here in Japan looks so chic.
Yeah, so well dressed.
So good.
Honestly.
In this area, there's a lot of shops and there's a lot of like clothes for, I guess, younger people. And wow, we didn't expect to find that thrift store here in Wigo. I think Wigo is a popular shop in Japan for youth. But yeah, we didn't expect that thrift store here.
So that ends today's vlogs. Another long day on our feet exploring Kyoto.
So tired.
But this is actually our last day.
Yeah.
And it's kind of sad to leave this place because it's beautiful. There's so many spots, even other places that we haven't visited yet, like more shrines, temples, and
Gardens.
gardens. So this is a good excuse to come back to Kyoto once again.
If you want to try some street food, authentic street food here in Kyoto, you can check out Nishiki Market.
If you enjoyed this video, leave it a like, and while you're at it, click that subscribe button. You can also click that bell so that you can get notified when we post another vlog. But for now, we'll see you in the next one. Bye!